We're at day 2 at the Trophy Invitational. It's a big day today. The fishing has come to a bit of a break, and we're now on to one of the most sought-after competitions in Canadian history, the Great Canadian S'more Competition. As you can see, everyone has their ingredients out. Well, let's go right for the category leader right now. Ma'am, what is it you're working on over here? This is supposed to be a family-friendly competition.
I'm cooking a s'more.
What do you got there? What's in the dish?
Little berries, little marshmallow, little graham crackers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Is this your first competition, Molly?
This is my final. I'm practicing.
Final competition. And you, ma'am, what are you working on over here?
I'm cooking my secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient. You're on Team Cora and Eric, so.
That's amazing.
Dr. Eric. Oh, so what's happening here? She's trying to sway the judges regarding doctor on the bottom of the plate to make it sound like their part of the competition is going to be a little more prestigious. But what's really going to happen is their plate might get pushed in the garbage a bit early. This is the youngest member of our competing team over here. Sir, what's your name?
Lemon?
Are you excited about the s'more competition?
Can you find it?
Not happening. All right, on to our next event. So what we're competing for today, folks, is this prize right here. The Great Canadian S'more Champion. As you can see, there's a little s'more man on top, a little fire, and it's handcrafted by wood. You, sir, what are you working on back there?
Chips.
Okay, so he's out of the competition.
Serving.
And you, sir, what have you got over here?
I got a secret coming up.
Looks like this guy's got himself some caramel bar. He's hiding over here.
Got a barbecue.
I would say based on age alone, he should have the advantage, but that doesn't always help you here because there's a few young kids with a few stops they're going to pull out. And this is our second team who's competing in the competition, going together head to head. Let's see here. What are you two working on? Oh my god, look at this. They got the s'more cone. We'll try to keep it on the DL here. And looks like they're wrapping him in tinfoil. And what's the name of your guys' team? Oh, Team Jackson, Mike. These guys are coming back from last year. Heavy competitors. Last year they didn't win a thing, but this year they're expecting to go home with the S'more Championship. And just around the side here, we'll just do an update. We have some guest judges in the back here. So they had to be kind of shoved in the corner. Oh, there's Dennis with the flex right here. We're gonna put the s'mores on the table here. And then they're gonna come out. No, we still got a few minutes left before I'm just doing the little intro here. They're gonna stagger a little bit. So these, I'll try to get out of the sun here so it's a little better. But these are our VIP guest judges in the back here. Could you please introduce yourselves?
My name is Dennis Burnett. And we're from Nordegg.
Nordegg, Alberta. Special VIP guest judges flown in from Nordegg, Alberta. And Dennis also caught something like 20 fish today, which is a little more than we were anticipating for the competition. So I think right now Dennis is in the lead. That's why we put him back here behind the trailer.
Yes, I think.
All right,
I just had the right fly.
The right fly. I think Dennis knows a few things about fishing the rest of us don't know. All right, we'll come back in about 10 minutes with a few s'mores for you guys. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, right. I forgot to.
Very nice.
The official fish flops. All right, we'll be back with the update shortly. Okay, so, excuse me, ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Angie Marshall.
Angie Marshall, nice to meet you, Angie Marshall. Threw me off there. I don't think you've introduced yourself with that before. What have you got there?
I have a Reese's Pieces Oreo whipped cream s'more with chocolate sauce and Oreo crumble.
Oh my god. And ma'am, what did you bring over here? Sorry?
Here's my s'more.
Oh my god, the cheetah for sure. Yeah. These are pretty impressive. All right, sir, could you please introduce yourself and tell us what you have there?
I have the world's greatest s'more. #1 on our contest list here. It has 2 different kinds of chocolate. It has the burnt s'more. It has salt and vinegar chips for the crunch.
Oh my god. And what's your name? Where are you from?
Joe Blow from Idaho.
I think you made that last part up. Okay.
Oh, no, sorry.
Whoa, look at that s'more.
The audience wants it.
Let's see. What's your name? Where are you from?
got a caramel apple s'more.
Caramel apple s'more. Whoa, Zerdudo. Looks amazing.
Influenced by lemon.
Oh, looking
Cutest little camper.
looking good. Nice work, everyone. I'm impressed to see your results. Introduce your team, please.
Cora and Eric.
Cora and Eric.
Doctor.
All right. And could you please let us know what you made today?
The original PB&J s'more.
PB and J.
It has got some real live raspberry ingredients in there.
Whoa, look at that.
Some mind-blowing flavor.
Your marshmallow's extra melted. Great.
Did you get your picture taken already?
Looks good. Let's hear the judges. All right, judges, how's it coming along so far?
Wow.
Very difficult.
Very difficult.
So good.
The judges are arguing.
They are so good. They're just not s'mores. They're more than a s'more.
More than a s'more. That's amazing. And you've actually eaten some of them. You haven't just spit them all out.
No.
Amazing.
Okay, let's
All right.
We're just saving ourselves.
We'll check back in with you again, Charlie. No rush either. No rush. Take your time. All right, ma'am. Please introduce yourself and tell us what you made today.
My name is Emily, and I have made a genuine marshmallow snowman with a brownie top.
Brownie top. Oh, pretty clever.
This here is a real carrot nose
Real carrot nose.
and some twig arms.
That's quite clever.
Yeah, quite clever.
And
Obviously on the beach.
oh yeah, on the beach too. A snowman on the beach. That makes a lot of sense. Actually, you're right. Yeah. The carrot nose.
He's a little bit melting.
And because viewers from all over the world are going to be asking, if you could just maybe walk us through what happened to your eye.
Oh, this was a dirt biking incident.
Oh, it wasn't a cooking accident.
No, not a cooking accident.
I thought we were fighting someone for ingredients yesterday.
No, I was fighting for the fish.
Okay. Well, now we know. I'll drop it off. My God, what have you got here? Please introduce yourself and tell us what you made today.
I am Marnie Moore,
Whoa.
and
Look out.
even without my perfect pan that I must have left at home, this is a s'more dip. So you take the
s'more
graham
dip.
cracker
Oh.
and you dip it in, and within it you will find cashews, Baileys, more chocolate, Hershey's chocolate, and then if you just want just chocolate, you can grab one of these.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
All right.
It is amazing.
I'll hand it to the judges and explain how to work. Introduce your team and tell us what you made today.
I'm Jax.
Oh, this is from Team Jackson Mike. Oh, all right. I talked to you guys earlier. What do we got? Oh my God, ice cream s'more cups. Oh, it's coming as a combo? Oh, I see what's happening here. Okay, walk us through what you did.
Well, we put a big marshmallow at the bottom so it melts down. And then we put cookie crumbs and chocolate in the middle, and then marshmallows, and then chocolate on top. And then this one has a big marshmallow, some Fruit Loops, some Reese's Pieces, some marshmallow and chocolate.
Oh my God, it's like a calorie sandwich.
Yep.
And so you're representing Old College today? Remember, are you in college right now?
No.
Oh, this is a borrowed shirt for the event.
Yeah, actually
Okay.
in red now.
Oh, red, all right.
Not even
Represent. So, please introduce yourself and tell us what you made today, ma'am.
Amanda Wood, and I've made a s'more d'oeuvre.
Oh my God, can you please tell us what's in there?
Well, we got a secret ingredient.
Oh, 2 sticks of Bailey's. That usually does it.
Yeah. We've got some peanut butter base, and we've got some chocolate and some marshmallows.
Oh my Atlanta. And could you just give us a quick estimate as to how many calories might be in your dish today?
This is Saturday, so half.
Half the calories of half the calories of what you just a quick 500,000 or so.
Yeah.
All right. All right, judges, how was that for you?
We need to wash our hands.
Holy.
Very sticky.
Was it stiff competition? Was it an easy pick? Was
Very
it?
hard.
You know what? A lot of these s'mores you could serve in a restaurant.
Oh, that's pretty good quality.
The presentation was
And Dennis used to own a restaurant, so he would know.
Yeah, you know,
You
like,
know the decision making.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, but
very lots of imagination.
in the end, did you come to a conclusive winner overall?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Well, we needed to do one winner.
All right. Yeah, just one. Yeah, I'll announce it over there. But as long as you,
We could have, yeah.
I'm going to take the top
They
3.
But they were so close that there could have been 3 or 4 winners.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. All right. If we have a winner, I'll take the top 3 plates around the corner. I'll announce the top 2, and then I'll give out the top 1.
Well, we better just thank the judges
no
first.
idea who.
Okay, you
know,
guys,
who did
give the
what.
judges a big hand for well, that's it. Yeah.
I think that's
I think
because for one thing we had to come to an agreement.
That was probably the hardest part.
Yes, it was.
it was It was tough judging it though because they were also good. A lot of them you could serve in restaurants.
Not good. So we'll stop. We got rid of the ones that didn't place in the top 3, so you won't even see those ones. So you got the top 3. So in
They're all
third
pretty
place,
clustered together.
we have Mo in third. There's no prize for third, but you do get priority. In second place, Cora and Dr. Eric in
Those raspberries.
Well, I
That
better
was a
just
great idea.
better come back with the truth.
You gotta go over your criteria.
Well, he told us how we had to.
Yeah, but how did you interpret it? That's what we Oh my God.
We had up to 25 points for 4 things. That was what he told us
But
to
it's
do.
all up to interpretation.
He said it was easy.
So sometimes we had to split the difference on, say, taste or, say, imagination, creativity. You know.
All right.
I had trouble keeping the point. Kept going back to other ones. Or new ones would come out and you look at over there.
Up to the VIP judges. All right, so this year, the first place winner for the Great Canadian S'more Champion is... Oh my God!
That was you guys. It sounds like she
Unbelievable.
I think, yeah. Remember how we disqualified you when you went back there?
That was not fixed. I would have had no idea.
Oh my God.
I can't believe I won.
Speak! This is going to go on the mantle of your house. Tell us what you made today. Oh my God.
Hey, now you have to make all of us winners.
Angie, now next year, how are you going to live up to next year?
Wow, I'm in shock. I'm in shock, everybody.
Well, you should be. You beat me out.
We had no idea, and so many of the others we were, we had the same, same points. So
We got Oreo cookie, Reese's Pieces, Cool Whip, and Oreo cookie and chocolate sauce.
Unbelievable. Nice job, everyone.
Yes,
Great
yes,
season.
yes,
Great
yes.
season.
difficult to eat.
Yeah, it
We're trying to
looked
get
great. The way
we're trying to
it
get
piled
it.
up.
Yeah?
Yeah. We were trying to get through with we were trying to get through with the fork, and we didn't know the.
Yeah, what are we
Oreo
throwing there? Was
cookies
some
were in
plastic in
there.
there?
Oh, you did it? Oh.
This is the hard